Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my son Kostya will take you with us in a gardening activity and we will be turning the ground around and preparing the pitch for seedlings that my mother will put inside. For more videos like this, of course, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, any comments, any likes, please leave them down in the comment section. See you in a while. Ciao! So guys, you see, when you're farming, your tools have to be 100%. This is an old piece of tool that is not capable of performing more than half an hour. So I have to repair it, simple repair, a screw, and I hope it will hold for another 45 minutes. I guess I'm gonna have to make a trip to the fucking shop. Usually I have the tendency that whatever I touch, I break. So, because I'm a farmer. guys, this is it for today. I hope you liked today's episode. There are more episodes like this coming on the channel, as I have a vineyard and an olive tree grown that I have to work on it quite regularly, so I'll be posting quite a lot of farming and gardening videos. What I have learned in all these years working with the land is that what you can do today, don't leave it for tomorrow. This is the number one farming rule, because if you leave it for tomorrow, tomorrow will rain or some other situation will stop you from doing it. So guys, if you liked today's episode, click the like button down below, leave some comments, your questions or your suggestions, and of course, for more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace out guys, keep on farming, ciao!